In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one profile or have switched devices recently. Once you're in, head over to your account section. This is where Airbnb keeps your personal settings and profile details. Depending on whether you're using the app or the website, the layout may look a little different, but the overall process is very similar. From there, look for personal info or profile. Either of these sections should take you to the area where your current profile details are displayed. When you see your existing profile photo, tap or click directly on it. This is usually the quickest way to open the photo editing options. Next, choose the option that says upload photo, change photo, or something similar. Airbnb may use slightly different wording depending on the device or version you're using, but the goal is the same, replacing your current profile picture with a new one. Now select a new photo from your device, or take a fresh picture using your camera if that option is available. If you're choosing an image from your gallery, let's say, try to pick a clear photo where your face is easy to see. This can help keep your profile looking polished and recognizable. After selecting the image, you may be prompted to adjust or crop the photo. Take a moment here to center your face properly and make sure the image looks the way you want. A well-cropped image will usually display better across both the app and website. Once everything looks good, save your changes to update your profile picture. Airbnb should then apply the new image to your account. If you don't see the updated photo right away, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment to refresh. You can simply reload the app or refresh the website page to check again. In some cases, signing out and back in can also help the new image appear faster, but usually a quick refresh is enough, and that's it. That's how to change your profile picture on Airbnb. Follow these steps carefully and your updated photo should be live in just a few moments.